Good afternoon, Algebra 2 people. Today we're going to talk about box plots and histograms. Before we talk about box plots, we're going to talk about a 5-number statistic summary that contains the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. Quartiles are points that divide a data set into 4 equal parts. Quarters, there's 4 quarters to a dollar. So quartiles divide a data set into 4 equal parts. One of these points is the median or the middle number. So halfway of something is 2 out of 4. So they'll call this one quartile 2. Sometimes you will hear it being called that. That is the median. Usually it will be called the median. The first quartile or quartile 1 is the median of the lower half, and quartile 3 is the median of the second half. To find quartiles, the data must be in order from lowest to highest, and the interquartile range, or IQR, is the difference between the third and first quartiles. It is used to measure the spread or the variability of the middle 50% of the data, and we'll be talking more about that later. Not today, but later in the next week.